If you don't like hitting the gym but still want to burn fat and fight cancer, then keep watching this. All right, health warriors. We know that maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be challenging, especially if you're not a fan of intense workouts. But did you know that the food you eat can play a significant role in your overall health? That's right. By incorporating certain superfoods into your diet, you can boost your metabolism, fight off cancer cells, and improve your overall well-being without ever stepping foot in a gym. So, let's dive into the top 6 superfoods you need in your diet to achieve these amazing health benefits. Here are the top 6 foods you need in your diet. Number 1. Blueberries. These little berries are not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They are often referred to as a superfood because of their high levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can lead to chronic diseases like cancer. Blueberries are particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. They help reduce fat and fight cancer cells. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in blueberries can help reduce belly fat and improve insulin sensitivity, making them an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight. Additionally, the compounds in blueberries have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce cancer cell death. So, whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in a smoothie, make sure to add blueberries to your daily diet. Toss them in your morning yogurt. Number 2. Broccoli. This green giant is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. This green giant contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been extensively studied for its cancer-fighting properties. Sulforaphane is believed to help detoxify harmful substances in the body and protect cells from damage. A compound that kicks cancer to the curb and boosts fat loss. In addition to its cancer-fighting abilities, sulforaphane has also been shown to promote fat loss by increasing the activity of enzymes that help break down fat cells. Broccoli is also high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Steam it, stir-fry it, just eat it. Number 3. Green tea. Packed with catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that have been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat loss. This super drink boosts metabolism and fights cancer. Catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, are believed to increase the body's ability to burn fat, especially during exercise. Green tea has also been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. Sip it hot or iced. Number 4. Salmon. Rich in omega-3s, which are essential fatty acids that play a crucial role in brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. It reduces inflammation and helps you burn fat. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. They also help regulate the body's metabolism and promote fat loss by increasing the activity of enzymes that break down fat. Grill it, bake it, love it. Number 5. Garlic. This potent bulb is not only a flavorful addition to your meals, but also a powerful health booster. This potent bulb is a cancer-fighting hero. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Allicin is believed to help detoxify carcinogens and inhibit the growth of cancer cells, and helps regulate your fat cells. Add it to everything. Garlic has also been found to help regulate fat cells by increasing the body's ability to break down fat and reduce the formation of new fat cells. It can also help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. So, don't be shy with the garlic. Add it to your soups, stews, and stir-fries for a delicious and health-boosting kick. And finally, number 6. Turmeric. This golden spice is not only a staple in many cuisines, but also a powerful health booster. This golden spice contains curcumin, which battles inflammation, fat, and cancer. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric that gives it its bright yellow color and its powerful health benefits. It has been shown to reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Sprinkle it in your meals. Curcumin has also been found to promote fat loss by increasing the activity of enzymes that help break down fat cells. Additionally, it has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce cancer cell death. So, whether you add it to your curries, soups, or smoothies, make sure to include turmeric in your diet for a powerful health boost. So there you have it. These 6 superfoods are not only delicious, but also incredibly powerful in promoting health and fighting disease. 6 foods to burn fat, fight cancer, and boost your health. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you can take a proactive approach to your health and well-being. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. Try to choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Time to eat your way to a healthier you. So next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to stock up on these superfoods and start incorporating them into your meals. Your body will thank you for it. Green tea is more than just a hydrating beverage. It's a centuries-old elixir that has been cherished in various cultures, particularly in Asia, for its numerous health benefits and soothing properties. From the ancient tea ceremonies of Japan to the daily rituals in China, green tea has been a staple in many households, revered not just for its taste, but for its medicinal properties. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients, green tea is a powerhouse of health benefits. These antioxidants, known as catechins, are natural compounds that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. Among these, the most potent is epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been studied extensively for its potential to treat various diseases. It has powerful effects on the body. Regular consumption of green tea can lead to improved health outcomes, from better cardiovascular health to enhanced mental clarity. The ritual of drinking green tea itself can be a meditative practice, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Let's dive deeper into what makes green tea a super drink. First, improved brain function. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea works wonders for the brain. While caffeine is a well-known stimulant, L-theanine is an amino acid that crosses the blood-brain barrier and has psychoactive properties. It increases the activity of the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, which has anti-anxiety effects. Green tea contains caffeine, but not as much as coffee. This means you get the benefits of caffeine without the jittery side effects that can come with drinking too much coffee. The moderate amount of caffeine in green tea, combined with L-theanine, provides a stable and steady energy boost, enhancing brain function without the crash that often follows coffee consumption. This gentle stimulant works alongside an amino acid called L-theanine, which together enhance brain function, improve mood, and boost reaction time. Studies have shown that the combination of caffeine and L-theanine can lead to improved attention, reaction time, and memory. This makes green tea an excellent choice for those needing a mental boost without the downsides of other stimulants, which together enhance brain function, improve mood, and boost reaction time. Next, fat loss. Green tea can increase fat burning and boost your metabolic rate. The catechins in green tea, particularly EGCG, have been shown to increase fat oxidation, making it easier for your body to use fat as energy. Green tea can increase fat burning and boost your metabolic rate. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. The thermogenic properties of green tea mean that it can help you burn more calories, even at rest. This, combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, can lead to significant weight loss over time. The antioxidants, especially a compound called EGCG, help break down fat and make it available for energy. This process is crucial for weight loss, as it allows your body to use stored fat as fuel, rather than relying solely on carbohydrates. Additionally, green tea can help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating, help break down fat, and make it available for energy. Lower risk of cancer. The antioxidants in green tea can protect against oxidative damage, a factor that leads to cancer. Oxidative damage is caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases, including cancer. The antioxidants in green tea can protect against oxidative damage, a factor that leads to cancer. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in green tea help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancer. This is particularly important in today's world, where we are constantly exposed to environmental toxins and pollutants that can increase oxidative stress, a factor that leads to cancer. Studies show that green tea drinkers are at a lower risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. The polyphenols in green tea have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the spread of tumors. This makes green tea a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. Studies show that green tea drinkers are at a lower risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. But that's not all. Green tea also improves physical performance. The catechins in green tea can help improve endurance and increase the body's ability to burn fat for fuel, making it an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. But that's not all. Green tea also improves physical performance, protects the brain in old age, reduces bad breath, helps prevent type 2 diabetes, and may even help you live longer. The benefits of green tea are truly remarkable and extend far beyond what we have already discussed. Green tea also improves physical performance. The catechins in green tea can help improve endurance and increase the body's ability to burn fat for fuel, making it an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Additionally, green tea can help reduce muscle damage and inflammation, allowing for faster recovery after intense workouts. Protects the brain in old age, reduces bad breath, helps prevent type 2 diabetes, and may even help you live longer. The neuroprotective properties of green tea can help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The catechins in green tea have been shown to protect neurons and improve cognitive function, making it an excellent choice for maintaining brain health as you age. Helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Green tea can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool in the prevention and management of type 2 diabetes. The polyphenols in green tea help regulate glucose levels and improve the body's ability to use insulin effectively, and may even help you live longer. The antioxidants in green tea can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote longevity. Studies have shown that regular green tea drinkers tend to live longer and have a lower risk of death from all causes. This is likely due to the combined effects of the various health benefits of green tea. So, grab a cup of green tea and sip your way to better health. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. Whether you enjoy it hot or iced, with a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey, green tea is a delicious and versatile beverage that can be enjoyed any time of day. Remember, a small change in your daily routine can lead to significant health benefits. By making green tea a regular part of your diet, you can take advantage of its numerous health benefits and improve your quality of life. So why not start today? Brew yourself a cup of green tea and toast to a healthier, happier you. Cheers to a healthier you. Share the benefits of green tea with your friends and family, and encourage them to join you on the journey to better health. Together you can enjoy the many benefits of this amazing beverage and support each other in living healthier, more vibrant lives. Welcome to Chapter 3. The Power of Blueberries. Today, we are diving deep into the world of these tiny yet mighty berries. Blueberries have been celebrated for centuries, not just for their delightful taste, but also for their incredible health benefits. Let's explore why these little blue gems deserve a spot in your daily diet. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. Their sweet and slightly tangy flavor makes them a favorite among both children and adults. But beyond their taste, blueberries are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are versatile and can be enjoyed in various forms, whether fresh, frozen, or dried. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. These small, vibrant berries are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. A single cup of blueberries contains just about 84 calories, yet it is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight while still getting essential nutrients. One of the most impressive aspects of blueberries is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases and aging. Blueberries are particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called flavonoids, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants in blueberries can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. This makes blueberries a valuable addition to any diet focused on long-term health and disease prevention. By incorporating blueberries into your diet, you can help protect your body from these harmful effects. Whether you add them to your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack, blueberries can provide a significant boost to your overall health. Their natural sweetness also makes them a great alternative to sugary snacks, helping you reduce your sugar intake while still satisfying your sweet tooth. But the benefits don't stop there. Blueberries are also known for their impressive nutrient profile. They are a rich source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health. Let's take a closer look at some of the key nutrients found in blueberries and how they can benefit your body. Blueberries are packed with vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function, helps in the absorption of iron, and promotes healthy skin. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, while manganese plays a crucial role in bone development and metabolism. These nutrients support various bodily functions, including immune health, bone health, and metabolism. For instance, the vitamin C in blueberries can help boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to infections. The vitamin K content supports bone health by aiding in calcium absorption, which is vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Manganese, on the other hand, is involved in numerous metabolic processes, including the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory and cognitive function. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly flavonoids, have been found to accumulate in the brain and help improve communication between brain cells. This can lead to better memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. Additionally, blueberries have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which can help protect against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Blueberries can also reduce blood pressure and even lower the risk of heart disease. The high levels of antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients in blueberries contribute to their heart-healthy benefits. For example, the fiber in blueberries can help lower cholesterol levels, while the antioxidants help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can lead to significant reductions in blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Their anti-inflammatory properties also make them great for supporting overall health and wellness. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The antioxidants and other bioactive compounds in blueberries can help reduce inflammation, thereby lowering the risk of these chronic diseases. By including blueberries in your diet, you can support your body's natural defenses against inflammation and promote overall health and well-being. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack or a tasty addition to your meals, reach for a handful of blueberries. They are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. You can add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads, or simply enjoy them on their own. Their natural sweetness and vibrant color can enhance the flavor and appearance of any dish, making them a delightful addition to your meals. These little berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your health and well-being. Their impressive nutrient profile, high antioxidant content, and numerous health benefits make them a true superfood. By incorporating blueberries into your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while reaping the many health benefits they offer. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. Adding a handful of blueberries to your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your cognitive function, or reduce your risk of chronic diseases, blueberries can help you achieve your health goals. Enjoy the power of blueberries and take a step towards a healthier you. Embrace the benefits of these tiny yet mighty berries and make them a regular part of your diet. With their delicious taste and impressive health benefits, blueberries are a true gift from nature that can help you lead a healthier, happier life.